Hello everyone. I wanted to quickly showcase how we can start creating new apps on AgentSpot. So in the My Apps section, you have a button to start creating new apps. So as soon as you hit that, you end up on our landing page of Data App Builder. We have a few start prompts here for inspiration. You can use that. For our use case, I'll be building a very simple Airbnb dataset demo here. For now, I have loaded that into Google Sheet. So I'll just choose Google Workspace as my connectors. We can also choose any other data sources here available in AgentSpot as connectors. And we can also choose ThoughtSpot models that are available to us on Champagne. So yeah, once we have our data sources, this again is not mandatory. You can either select it from the menu here, or you can completely rely on your prompt and the agent will still get it right. So let's do a very simple Airbnb data app where we have just 4 metrics, and then we'll ask the agent to style it in an Airbnb theme. So given its little vague prompt, it will have to first do a deep dive into the worksheet to understand what kind of metrics should be presented and how the overall data structure from that particular source will be. So it may take a couple of minutes here. Let's also look into the thought process of the agent in the meantime. So it's been a couple of minutes and I think the agent is almost done. So once the app is ready, it will automatically give you a preview here. So yeah, there we have it. It's given us the top 4 KPIs and then some of the underlying information as well, which seems pretty handy. Now, if we are happy with the app that we have, we can hit publish. Note that this publish will only make the app live for you. Um, in order for the app to be available for everyone, you'll need to share it with all users or select users from the share menu here. And once we do it, it will be available for everyone in the cluster. So yeah, that's a quick flow on how to create apps. And once you've created and published, you can still go and edit the apps from the edit menu here. For example, let's say I just want to make it into a dark themed app. The agent will then most likely here in this case rewrite the entire app. So you can as soon as you hit edit, you end up in the same conversation that you were having. So the agent has full context, and making specific modifications and any kind of changes is going to be very straightforward from here. And as soon as the updates are made, you will see the app getting refreshed automatically. And again, if you're happy with the changes, you can hit publish. If you don't hit published, it still stays onto the previously edited version. So yeah, that's all.